So what's up for today, Gert? She's not interested. Today we got a little something for the second gen Cruze here. So let's hit the intro. Well, today we're going to be checking out the CupHolderHero for the 16 to 19 Chevy Cruze. Not sponsored, I paid for this. So basically what these are, they're just these little nifty little silicone pads that go in your, sorry, see if you can hear me now, silicone pads that go inside your cup holder. So, oh, let's get these on film here. On film. Let's get these on video here. I'm gonna have to read the instructions to see where all these go. I would try to pull them all out as one, but they're all stuck to the bottom of the bag here. Oh, there we go. Almost all of them. These little sticky little... So... Wow, lots of little... How many pieces are in this thing? Wow. Like, man. This is, I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Dang, there's a lot. There's a lot of these things. I'm assuming they probably go in the doors. There's a big one. This must go inside the console. Holy. Alright, let's see if we got instructions on here. No, we do not. There is nothing. Couple pieces of tape. Yeah. Oh, so QR code. Okay. I'm gonna check that out. Oh, let's get out the old code reader here and look at that. Takes me right to the 2016 to 2019 Chevy Cruze. Pre-install cleaning. To begin your installation, please make sure your cup holders and other pockets are clean. To get the liners to quote-unquote stick and stay in place, the pockets must be clean, in bold letters. We recommend simply using a wet rag to remove previous crumbs and spills, but you may have to get more aggressive depending on the condition of your cup holders. Important! If you have previously used a UV protectant or interior detailing cleaner in your pockets such as Armor All or 303 Aerospace, or have just picked up from the dealership, we recommend you clean your pockets with at least 50% isopropyl alcohol to remove this residue, as the mats may not quote-unquote stick and may slide around. Okay. Simply follow the location map at the very bottom, or enjoy a fun puzzle learning about all the spots in your car. Ah, cool. To install, simply drop the mat into the corresponding pocket. Okay. So I'm not going to read through all this. I want to see. Okay, check it out. So the front cup holder. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, and 3. Front center console area. So that's this 1. And this one is 2. And this one is 3. Cool. So those go in the console. Yep. This glove box. This big sucker's for the glove box. Dang. Remove factory liner prior to install the floor. Yeah, that looks like the... Holy hell, that's not the console, that's the glove box. Let me turn my light off. It's glaring on the phone here. Look at that. Okay. Center armrest console, 5A, 6A, 5B. Huh. And then we got... Wow, those go down inside the door pockets. Wow, and then the rear doors. And the rear fold down armrest. Holy crap. Dang, okay. Huh. Well, I'm gonna get to cleaning all these areas out. And we'll check back with you. We'll start with the console. All right, so I went and cleaned everything out in the car. I laid everything out. We're gonna start with the, we're gonna go in the front center console, 2 cup holders, 1, 2, and 3 on the instructions. So let's go do that. Okay, so I brought the glove box one too. And we'll try the glove box first. Let's see. How does she fit? Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Really cool. That is way cool. Just lays right in the glove box. Okay, so the next one was this piece. And this, oh, I forgot to clean that out. Damn bobby pin in there. Well, we'll drop that down in there. Nice. And then cup holders. What? Look at that. Very cool. And we'll put that one right there. Wow. I like how that looks. This is really cool. Yeah, I'll clean that out better, but that is really cool, that glove box one. So the next one is for here, and there's 2 that go in here. I've got to clean this out, so we'll do that next. I wanted to mention I bought this cool little console tray about a year ago. It's got a little change holder. It just kind of fits. It's kind of cool. You can just, your more important stuff right there, and then you can store the rest of your crap underneath. So I'll clean this crap out and we'll drop that other deal in there. Da-na-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na-na, getting dirty with it. What are you doing? So this one's gonna go in that little thing in front of the armrest, and these 2 are gonna go inside. I noticed this car does have little carpeted pieces inside the console. You see? So I got to take these out. I don't need to clean under there because it's, yeah, so we'll just match up. It's like the little one goes here, that little tab goes to the front, plop, and this one goes like this. Oh, beautiful. It fits beautifully. And then this sucker looks like it goes this way, the tab facing rearward. Look at that. This is just so cool looking. And they sit on there really nice. Very cool. So, and I got this cool little, and it says Cruze. It's facing the wrong way too. But, all right. Okay, so next up are the front row pockets. So, driver and passenger, we'll have to determine which one. And then these here and here. So, yeah. Let's just go throw them in the doors. So which one fits the driver's side here? So, let's see, this one. Yep, that one fits down in there. So that must mean this one fits down. Oh wow, so there's a little step down. No, I think it's this one. This one here. Yep. Look at that, beautiful. I don't know if the camera's gonna. Look at that. Beautiful. Just sticks right on there. The camera's not really picking it up, but look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so the other 2 will go on the passenger side door. So we'll plunk that right there, and this will go down here. Kind of flops in place, and oh, this one doesn't get in there quite as good. Let's go this way. I got this stupid light on here. You can't really get down on there. Okay. So next up are the rear door pockets. Okay. And then I don't have rear fold down armrests, so those will not be going in anywhere. I think these smaller ones actually fit the front ones just the same, so maybe I'll hold on to those two. These two, I don't know, maybe I'll put them in my car. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna fit, but well, let's see. Let's give these a shot here. See which ones fit. All right, what do we got here? Ooh. Okay, see that little triangle? It goes like that. Huh. The dog is gonna eat that thing up. And this one goes like that. Huh. Yeah, I am under the impression the dog is gonna chew these things up. So, which side we got here? Is this the correct one? Yeah, that's the one. Fits in there. Cool. We'll see how long those last in the back seat. My guess is the dog is gonna chew them things up. Maybe that's what that little tape was for. Might have to tape these down. Ooh. See, can't get the camera down in there very well. Okay, I think it's time for a slow motion montage. So what'd y'all think of the CupHolderHero? Non-sponsored, by the way. I think it was pretty cool. I think it was like 20 bucks. I'll link it in the description. You can find one for your vehicle. Sad to report they don't have it for the 9th gen Impala. Sorry, because I would have got one if that was the case. I got them for the 10th gen, so I know the one subscriber out there who has the 10th gen, you're in luck, man. So yeah, pretty cool. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the thanks button, help out the channel. Just a suggestion. And we'll see you in the next video. Later.